All right, now let's take a look at number 8. We're given 1/2 as a 0 for the equation 2x cubed minus 17x squared plus 90x minus 41. Now, you could use synthetic division, okay, but it's a little bit more difficult because of the fact that the 0 is not a whole number. So what is it we know? We know x equals 1/2, okay? Now, remember, all the work we did was when it was set equal to 0. So we have to unravel this, okay? So we multiply both sides by 2. So now you get 2x equals 1. But we want it to equal 0. So now we subtract 1 to get 2x minus 1 equals 0. Now this is what we're going to use for our, in this case, long division. You could use synthetic division, but when it's not a whole number, it's a little more difficult. So let's set it up. We get 2x minus 1 on the outside, leaving us with 2x cubed minus 17x squared plus 90x minus 41. So let's see, 2x goes into 2x cubed, x squared times. Now we subtract, so negative 17 minus negative x is negative 17x squared plus x squared, so I get negative 16x squared. Bring down the rest. See, 2x goes into negative 16x squared, negative 8x times. So negative 8, let's see, negative 16x squared plus 8x. Now we subtract them to get what? 82x minus 41. 2x goes into 82x 41 times. Okay, so we have no remainder in this one. So we know for question number 8 that we can factor this to x squared minus 8x plus 41. But just like in the last problem, we have to find something that multiplies the 41, adds the negative 8. Okay, as you sit there and you think about it for a while, there isn't anything that will multiply to 41, add a negative 8. So we have to use a quadratic formula. So x equals negative b, so 8 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so negative 8 squared, minus, let's see, negative b squared minus 4 times 1 times 41 all over 2. So see, this will equal 8 plus or minus the square root. Let's see, negative 8 squared is 64. So 64 minus what? Let's see, that's what, 164 over 2. So this will equal 8 plus or minus the square root of what? Negative 100 over 2, which we know, I'm sorry, I'm moving backwards here, will equal what? 8 plus or minus 10i over 2, which simplify, everything is divisible by 2, so 4 plus or minus 5i. Whew, that was tough.